In this video, we'll explore the most common English words that start with the letter A, perfect for building your vocabulary and speaking more naturally. Let's get started.
Arrest. Use arrest in a sentence. The policeman arrested the thief. You could get arrested for doing that. The police arrested the suspect yesterday. Arrival. Use arrival in a sentence. I informed her of my arrival. We apologize for the late arrival of the train. We changed our plans because of her late arrival. Arrive. Use arrive in a sentence. He's just arrived. I arrived there too early. Please check in at reception when you arrive. Arrow. Use arrow in a sentence. The arrow hit its target. The road continues straight as an arrow. Wind direction is represented by arrows. Art. Use art in a sentence. I like poetry, music, and art. He doesn't know much about art. They usually go to art galleries on Sundays. Article. Use article in a sentence. Have you read this article? The article was written in English. The article is full of technical terms. Artist. Use artist in a sentence. He is an unknown artist. She is a well-known tattoo artist. The artists are living in reduced circumstances. Artificial. Use artificial in a sentence. They don't like artificial flowers. Artificial light is produced by electricity. One of her hobbies is making artificial flowers. Artistic. Use artistic in a sentence. His artistic talent is admirable. She comes from an artistic family. My job is to support local artistic events. Ashamed. Use ashamed in a sentence. I'm ashamed of what I did. He is ashamed of his son's conduct. You've got nothing to be ashamed of. Aside. Use aside in a sentence. She pulled the curtain aside. Stand aside and let these people pass. Could you please pull the curtain aside? Ask. Use ask in a sentence. May I ask you a favor? It's no use asking him for help. May I ask you a personal question?